Okay, real talk. This is one of my favorite features sa DJI NEO, the Follow Mode. I tried it with my subject, pamangkin ko si Aiven, habang naglalakad. And look at that. The drone literally follows every move. No manual control needed. For content creators like me, this is a game changer. Wala ka nang iisipin na framing or control. Just focus on your story. And the drone, siya na ang bahala. Imagine doing a travel vlog, a cinematic walk, or even a solo shoot, and you still get this kind of pro-level movement. Kahit na beginner ka, enthusiast, or even a pro filmmaker, Follow Mode gives you freedom, creativity, and most of all, confidence. Parang meron kang sariling cameraman. It is not just a drone, it's your behind-the-scenes camera crew. And sa panahon ngayon, kung content ang puhunan, this, sulit na sulit.